Good morning and welcome to the Casual Chef's Kitchen. It's Friday, TGIF, end of the week, and it's only the third day of October. My brother's birthday's coming up next week. Older brother. Last night I prepared a recipe that I've been saving for a few months, for a very lean end of the month. And that was the corn dog casserole. I'd rather just eat corn dogs. Yeah, it's fine. I didn't really play with it. I mean, I swapped the celery out for onions. Try it. You might like it. Don't always take my opinion. Being Friday, it is Pasta Friday. As you know, if you don't know, I moved a couple things around. So this ends up being a Pasta Friday. I'm going to be doing, if you recall, I did a Vatican City, Vatican style pasta with oil. Tonight's pasta is based on the Vatican style. Let's get to it. So with the Vatican style pasta, I was supposed to use these squashes in a soup yesterday. I'm going to be actually sauteing the yellow squash and the zucchini with some onion and just a little bit of leftover bell peppers with the Vatican style, which is oil, garlic. I'm using Aleppo pepper and linguine. And of course, kosher salt and black pepper. So basically, that's it. A super simple meal for a Friday. And it's Pasta Friday. I actually look more forward to Pasta Friday than Taco Tuesdays. Don't get me wrong, I love tacos. But pasta has a very special place in my heart. It got me through some very lean times. So yeah. So on this Friday, have a great day, eat great food, and have fun cooking.